So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 3300, minimum element after replacing all the sum digit. This is a simple and beginner friendly max problem based on the addition the digit sum calculation. So let's get started. We are given an integer array num. You replace each element in number with the sum of the digit. Return the minimum element in number after all the replacement. We need to return the minimum element from the updated array. Suppose the example is given like 10, 12, 13, 14. 10 we can separate it by 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 12 we can separate it by 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. It's 13 is equals to 4 as 14 is equals to 5. The updated array become 1, 3, 4, 5 and the minimum element is 1. The approach is very simple. For every number, calculate the digit sum, compare it with the current minimum answer. Finally, return the small digit. Let's move on the code and see what's in answer equals to while n is greater than 0. Um, then return answer. So here is the code and it specify all the type cases. First we analyze answer is equals to int max. This store the minimum digit sum. Now travel every number of the array. For each number, analyze sum is equals to 0. This used in a for loop is the calculate digit sum. N modulus 10, exactly the last digit. Add it into the sum, then n divided by 10 is equals to that the remove the last digit. After calculating the sum, update the minimum array using answer is equals to mini answer comma sum. Finally return the answer.